Mining powers the world. From the steel in our bridges to the minerals in our smartphones, mining is everywhere. India is a global mining powerhouse and second largest producer of crude steel and aluminium in the world, but they also contribute heavily to energy consumption, emissions, and waste. The challenge is clear. How can we make mining more sustainable? Traditional life cycle assessment, or LCA, is essential for measuring sustainability, but the process is often slow, complex, and full of missing data. This limits effective decision-making for industries and policymakers. Our solution: an AI-driven LCA tool designed specifically for metallurgy and mining. It uses artificial intelligence to predict missing values, analyze environmental impact, and generate actionable insights in real time. The tool starts with data collection, gathering details on resources, energy use, and production values from mining operations. This data is then organized and structured, ensuring accuracy and easy access for further use. A dashboard is created with charts and visuals to track performance and present results clearly. The tool provides circularity analysis, showing how resources can be reused and waste can be reduced for sustainable mining. It also offers optimization insights, helping improve efficiency in resource use, cost savings, and environmental impact. Finally, the system delivers economic analysis, combining production and sustainability data to support better business and policy decisions. The tool aligns with India's national mining policy and sustainable mining missions. It creates opportunities for industries, startups, and policymakers to work together towards a greener future. This tool, aligned with Digital India and smart mining initiatives, it unlocks new business opportunities in green mining and metallurgy. With AI and life cycle assessment, we can make them sustainable, efficient, and future-ready. This is not just a tool, it's a step toward a cleaner, smarter world.